Alden, Richard update, and advance happy birthday kay Alden. And sinupresa si Alden ng cast ng Pulang Araw dyan sa final viewing party. Ay magkakasama ang cast ng Pulang Araw and si Alden, Sanya, Barbie, and si Mikoy, Rochelle, saka si Derek, at marami pang iba. Happy birthday kay Alden.
This is my first birthday cake actually. And first time ko rin kong nakatanggap ng cake a few days before my birthday. But thank you so much. Wish? I think all of us wish for peace of mind, peace of...
Last birthday rin ni Ashley Ortega. And sila Alden.
Happy birthday!
Siyempre, unang-una po, thank you so much for having.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for my update. See ya.